So fam, it is roughly 12:30 p.m. right now. We had a very last minute plan, more like a family trip. We're pushing off to Lonavala, so yeah, let's get into the car and hopefully I can keep you guys with me through the trip. See you guys soon. So fam, we've just made it to the food court. I've dropped them off there. I just parked the car. We'll go inside, eat something. I'm super hungry as of now for some reason, probably all the driving and everything. So yeah, let's get out and I'll probably catch you all inside. What say? What are you getting?
5 chai.
5 chai.
5 chai.
5 chai.
5 chai.
5 chai. That is our family. Five chais. Okay. So yeah, I'm getting something small to eat. I'll have a vada pav. I don't want to upset my stomach or anything. I usually, when I travel, I like to keep it light. I don't like to sort of overload myself. So yeah, we get something. What happened here?
Liliana 125.
We thought we just needed 1 chai, but we needed 5 chais.
Has he seen us? Does he think that we'll be okay in 1 chai after him?
And that to this little one.
Yeah, precisely. So, little confusion. We ordered 5. He got us 1. I don't know what he was thinking, but hota hai. Chai wala chai. Chai wala. Where are we going now? What else have you ordered?
We are going to some place called Chota Bite.
Chota Bite.
Some more chai
Some more chai.
and bhurji pav.
Okay, fuck my life. I swear I don't remember where we ordered from.
Fuck, where was it?
I don't know, dude. So we just finished breakfast. How was it?
Very nice.
Good, no?
Superb.
Yeah. We both had vada pavs from Kailash Parbat and I was surprised. They were fucking fresh and they were good. Usually when you're traveling, these guys, you know, they store it, right? So it's usually stored stuff that they'll give you, you know, to eat. And it's never that fresh, sort of readily made off the stove kind of thing. So yeah, we were surprised at how good the quality was.
And the bread, extremely fresh. Bread also extremely fresh.
Yeah, mom says the bread was also extremely fresh. So yeah, thumbs up. What else you ordered? I'm okay. What did you get?
Ice cream!
Hello. And dad's got some, I think, mango. Dad's usually a fan of mango. So I just found out she's getting a wisdom tooth, but unfortunately she has no wisdom. Yes. What are we getting now?
Pani.
Pani? Jal.
Jol khabo.
Jal khabo. Jal khabo, my sister says. So we are going to get jal khabo and then
People in Bengal
we are
don't
going to
have-
do jal khabo, right?
Yeah.
Jal khabo is drinking water.
Yeah, so people in Bengal don't have a word for drinking. Everything is khabo.
Yeah, my sister's international.
So it's
You know, like
Jal Khabo.
she steps out of Bombay a lot. So she's international.
What did you eat?
So roughly 4 p.m. We left a little late today. We don't usually do that. We leave in the morning like 6ish, 6ish, 5ish, 5:30ish. But today we left at 12:30 because our schedules weren't matching. So that was the only free gap that we had. So we made the most of it. Let's head inside and I'll catch you guys in there. at the hotel. You see, it's got a nice ambience and everything. It's apparently called Citrus or something like that. Never been here before, but yeah, it looks pretty cute, quaint kind of a feel to it. It was a little bit into the interior, but yeah, we'll head upstairs. They're just doing the formalities, all of that stuff, and we'll figure out. I'll give you all a room tour if I can. So fam, we are at the room now. It's really beautifully lit and it's very airy. I don't know if you guys can see a lot of it, but I really like it. We've got a massive window out here, and I'm really digging this room. I like the ambience. I like the ambience of the entire place. So yeah, kudos. So it's 15 minutes to 8. We pretty much chilled the evening. I did some editing also of this particular vlog itself, so I like the footage that's come out, and we had some coffee and stuff like that. I will now head down. We're probably going for a walk or something like that, and after that we'll grab dinner and come back up. So fam, we've just got done with dinner. We went out for a small walk. The weather was beautiful. It was nice and cold. I'm gonna call it a wrap for day one here. If you guys did stick all this long, thank you so very much. I'll probably catch you guys in the next bit. Good morning fam. So at the moment it is 9:30. I have to rush down for breakfast. I'm already very late. We are all bathed ready. I had 1 cup of coffee in the morning. Yeah, fresh morning. I love this place for some reason. I don't know why. And yeah, we'll get the day going from here on. So yeah, stick with me. One thing before I go down, you remember I told you the name of the hotel is Citrus. एक बात जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी was that even their soaps have this citrus fragrance in it, and they are so much in sync with their theme, and that, you know, small details like this is what really sort of sets it apart. So yeah, thumbs up, good job. So we'll rush down. अभी निकलते निकलते ना, I heard a big roar from my stomach. तो एकदम चूहे दौड़ रहे पेट में. So let's first go get something to eat. I'm damn hungry. Miss Chai Specialist, what are you making?
Chai and coffee.
Chai and coffee. Who's the chai for?
2 chai, 1 coffee. Coffee is for you, 2 chai is for mom and me.
Okay.
And brown sugar for me because I'm a fancy bitch.
You're a fancy bitch, yeah, that you are. You're international, no? We've already established that in the first part of the vlog. So I'm a little atrangi when it comes to my breakfast. I have pineapple here, I've got chicken sausages, and I've got an omelette. So high protein and then something a little sweet, and of course my coffee. So usually that's what I sort of kind of like to, yeah, that's what I like to eat. So we found this one khufia spot. You see this whole gully? We found this one khufia spot which is factory, and apparently this is where all the famous chikkis and everything is made in Lonavala. This is at least what we've been told. So जितना भी चिक्की बनता है यहाँ पे बनता है, and then it goes out to all the other shops. Don't quote me on it. Offend मत होना, कोई दुकान वाला देख रहा है तो ये हमें बताया गया है. So that's the story. We'll go in. कुछ अच्छा लगे तो we'll pick it up. So yeah, let's do that.
Didn't like it.
Didn't like it.
Not so much. Matlab, it's okay. But Maganlal is Maganlal.
You have some balls saying that on somebody else's turf. Alright fam, so we are heading out into the town a little bit. I'm gonna pull the car out and pick the rest of them up. So yes, let's do this, and we'll explore Lonavala a little more. So fam, we are in the infamous lane, and I don't know if you agree, but Lonavala है और यहाँ पे नहीं गए तो क्या ही Lonavala है.
Exactly.
Correct?
Exactly.
You wanna tell them where we are going?
No, I think you better see it.
No, we'll tell them. Yeah, and then we'll put some cinematics. Yeah. So we are heading to the infamous Maganlal Chikki. All right. And we'll go in there and we'll show you what all they have and all of that stuff. But if you do come to Lonavala and you don't go to Maganlal Chikki, I don't know what you're doing. So yeah. So we're at the infamous Maganlal store. They're getting some stuff from inside. You get good chikkis, you get very good fudges out here. So that's what the place is known for. And of course, besides that, there's a ton of other stuff as well. So if you do come here, check it out. What did you buy?
I bought chocolate walnut fudge.
Okay.
Then chocolate almond fudge.
Okay.
Strawberry fudge.
Okay.
Then your favorite groundnut chikki.
Okay.
And that mixed
Okay,
dry fruit.
so she basically bought half the shop. I'll show you all whatever, or I'll tell you all whatever we bought later on. There's a lot of chaos right now, so we'll focus on getting to the car for now. There's chocolate walnut fudge, there's almond fudge,
chocolate almond fudge,
strawberry fudge, strawberry fudge, then
groundnut chikki,
dry fruit chikki.
then
I'm telling you, we bought half the shop, so yeah. So that was our little Maganlal experience. So fam, after the chikki we came all the way up to Tiger Point. I'll show you the view out here, it's beautiful. We just drove up, we wanted to have a little drive, so yeah, I'll show you all the view. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the mountains all the way at the back, and I'll give you some cinematics as well, so yeah. So we stopped on this lovely bridge, and I don't know why, I really kind of like it because it's in the middle of two plain fields, and there's a lake out here, right? So there's a lake right behind us. Yeah, it looks like it, at least a lake or a pond or something like that. So it's a really nice scenic spot, and whenever I come, I really kind of like this stretch. I don't know if you can see the bridge behind me. So yeah. So we got done with what did we get done with? The drive. And what else did we do? Petrol, and we went up to Ambi Valley. Yeah, so we're done with that. We're all famished and we need to grab some food. So yeah, I will see you guys at lunch. 7:15, 7:30. दोपहर को सब सो गए थे. Everybody was taking rest. I transferred out all the clips, life of a YouTuber, lol. तो वो सब काम चालू था. अभी there is one family tradition that we always follow on our trips, and that is table tennis. Yes. So, no matter where we go and stuff, usually the hotel rooms have a table tennis or a games room. So I love table tennis, dad loves table tennis, and so does mom. My sister is still a little kacha pakka, so we'll go down there और खेलते थोड़ा. This is day 3 and the final day of our trip. This is the day that we head back to Bombay. We drive back to Bombay. Last night we played table tennis for 2 hours and we were so famished. We just grabbed dinner and we called it a night. We were exhausted. Plus packing karna tha for today morning. So that happened. If you guys have stuck with me throughout this entire journey, thank you so much. It means the world to me. Hit the bell icon, give us a subscribe, let us know in the comments what you liked about the video, what you would like changed in future vlogs. I'm gonna use this little bit to officially end the vlog. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will catch you guys in the next one. You're driving, no, today?
Driving myself straight to hell.